Okay, guys, welcome back. I got two monster trucks again today at Walmart. It's the new for 2025 Buns of Steel, new paint. Always monster trucks in the package, we know that. So pretty cool. There's the back, and then name Buns of Steel Truck Type City, Strength, Appetite Stealer, Crash Tech. Keep your eyes on the fries. Said it wrong, sorry guys. There it is. Without further ado, let's go and open it. Okay. Ooh. This is a nice one. Here it is, guys. The hamburger's really cool. The cheese, the lettuce, the meat, the orange trim with the little checkers with the fries on top. Headlight printing and grill printing. Hot Wheels monster trucks, Buns of Steel. Also has taillight printing one. Baby blue roll cage, gray chassis. Yellow rims and beadlocks, black tires. So that's the unboxing, guys. I have another one to go. Peace out. Hope you enjoyed.